I want to use a bone-in chicken for this when you're grilling, because it's going like skin on bone in, right? Because it's going to grill nicer. It's going to keep it juicier, more flavorful. And you can use any kind of bone-in chicken that you like. I'm just doing it today with some legs because that's what I had in the freezer. So whatever floats your boat, use what you like. If you don't like bone-in chicken, you certainly can do it with boneless. It just might not remain as juicy, and you're not going to get that crispy charred skin on the outside. 8 legs here. I'm just going to pat them dry a little bit before I season them with the spice mixture that we have. And then we are going to let this marinate. I prefer to let it marinate 24 hours just so that the spices get all up in there. Chicken patted dry, little score marks. And now we're going to take our seasoning mix. We're just going to dump it all over, massage it in. It's been 24 hours marinating, so now it's time to grill. Just get your grill nice and hot and lay your chicken all over. You're going to want to cook it. I temp my chicken with a thermometer, but I'm going to say probably about 15 to 20 minutes. I would check it. I'd flip it after about 7 minutes per side till you get those nice grill marks. Put your honey mixture, probably about 2 tablespoons of honey and about up to a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I put it in a little pan on the grill so that it can start to come together and warm up to make it easier to baste the chicken. Once your chicken is fully cooked, you just want to coat each piece of chicken in the delicious glaze.